everyone. Today we're going to be making something a little different. We're going to be making a Tuscan style sausage made with real sun-dried tomatoes. It's going to take a little while, but the end result is going to be worth it, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay, so for today we're going to be using 9 Roma tomatoes. We're going to cut it in half and we're going to take out the seeds, and the quickest way for us to do it is in the oven. It's probably going to take us 4 to 5 hours. So let's get to it. Don't forget how important it is to test our batches out. This way we can add ingredients if we need to at this point and then start stuffing. All right, let's see how this tastes. That's actually really good. I like it. It's a perfect combination. Not too salty, good pepper, good herbs. I like it. We're gonna go with it. right, so my review and the end result of this, it was absolutely amazing. It was really good. The only recommendation I would do for my personal preference is I'd probably double up on the tomatoes. So I'd probably go with 18 Roma tomatoes, cut in half. I know it's gonna take a little while, but it's so good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of my new content coming out. Thanks and have a good one.